Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread quick and easy only way. Start by gathering strong flour, instant yeast, warm water, salt, and a single mixing bowl. Use precise measurements and mix until just combined to save time. Let the dough rest briefly for a quick rise, then shape and bake at a steady oven temperature for an even crumb. I'll guide you through each step so you get fluffy bread fast and simply. In this video, I will show how to make bread quick and easy only way. Begin by dissolving instant yeast in warm water to speed activation, then stir in flour and salt until combined. Use folding motions instead of long kneading to build gluten while saving time. Allow a short rest to relax the dough, then shape and bake. This approach gives a reliable oven spring and soft crumb with minimal effort. In this video, I will show how to make bread quick and easy only way. After your brief rest, shape the dough gently to keep air pockets intact and score the surface to guide expansion. Preheat your oven so the dough hits hot air immediately for good oven spring. Bake until the crumb sets and the crust is golden, using an instant thermometer if you like precise results for ideal texture and doneness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.